This is episode 1 of Deromanticizing Every Single Bad Thing, and in today's episode, we will talk about something so common. The thing is cursing and using swear words. Look around us. We see many people, teenagers, even adults cursing like it's nothing. But tell me, is it something that we should take lightly? No. No matter how angry, frustrated you are, or no matter how bad and hard your day is going, you still have no right to lash out at someone or use a curse word. The reason is simple. It is not just a great sin, but it is considered haram. Even if you have a desire to say something bad or you can't control yourself, then you should tell yourself that fighting against your nafs and saying no to that bad desire is known as jihad akbar, which is considered the greatest type of jihad. So by controlling your tongue and controlling the way you talk to people, you will gain reward and a good deed every time you hold yourself back from cursing. So from now on, every single time you want to curse, tell yourself that you are going to gain reward and good deed for holding yourself back.